Question 1. Which will be first India state to launch its own satellite? Correct answer is D. Assam. Question 2. Which Indian has been named among Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025? Correct answer is A. Purnima Devi Barman. Question 3. Who won the Sport Star of the Year award? Correct answer is C. Manu Bahakar. Question 4. Who has been named the recipient of the 59th Jnanpith Award? Correct answer is A. Vinod Kumar Shukla. Question 5. Who has been invited as the chief guest for India's 2025 Republic Day Parade? Correct answer is B. Prabowo Subianto. Question 6. The historical Moidams included in the UNESCO World Heritage List is located in which state? Correct answer is B. Assam. Question 7. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization? Correct answer is B. V. Narayanan. Question 8. Which country hosted the first ever conference of UN Women Peacekeepers? Correct answer is A. India. Question 9. Which city has recently become the leopard capital of India? Correct answer is C. Bengaluru. Question 10. What is the theme of the 2025 New Year calendar of the Government of India? Correct answer is C. Janbhagidari se Jan Kalyan. Question 11. Which ancient Indian scripture has been included in UNESCO Zero's Memory of the World Register 2025? Correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question 12. Who won the Miss World 2025 title at the event held in Hyderabad? Correct answer is C. Opal Suchata Changsri. Question 13. PM Narendra Modi was recently conferred with which country's highest civilian honor, Order of Makarios LLI? Correct answer is B. Cyprus. Question 14. Which operation has India launched to help earthquake-hit Myanmar? Correct answer is B. Operation Brahma. Question 15. Where will the Sindoor Memorial Park, dedicated to Operation established? Correct answer is A. Kutch. Question 16. Where is the Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary, now declared as India's first butterfly sanctuary, located? Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 17. What was the code name for the nationwide civil defense mock drill conducted on May 7, 2025? Correct answer is B. Operation Abhyas. Question 18. Recently, who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC? Correct answer is D. Ajay Kumar. Question 19. Which country awarded President Draupadi Murmu the honorary doctorate honoris causa degree? Correct answer is B. Slovakia. Question 20. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is C. Dinesh Maheshwari. Question 21. Who has been appointed to lead the high-powered committee investigating the Air India Flight Al-171 crash? Correct answer is B. Govind Mohan. Question 22. In which state has India's first quantum computing village been established? Correct answer is D. Amravati. Question 23. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize? Correct answer is C. Banu Mushtaq. Question 24. Who got the status of 107th national park in the country? Correct answer is C. Simlipal. Question 25. Who has got the first place in the state or union territories tableaus in the Republic Day Parade 2025? Correct answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Question 26. What is the name given to the torch of the 38th National Games? Correct answer is D. Tejaswini. Question 27. Operation Black Forest against Naxalites has been carried out on the border of Chhattisgarh and which state? Correct answer is D. Telangana. Question 28. Which glacier in Asia was officially declared dead on May 12, 2025? Correct answer is B. Yala Glacier. Question 29. Which two Indian states will be connected by the country's first interstate cheetah corridor? Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Question 30. Who was elected President of the Supreme Court Bar Association in 2025? Correct answer is A. Vikas Singh. Question 31. Recently the Government of India has designated the 23rd of September as which day? Correct answer is A. Ayurveda Day. Question 32. Who was conferred with the prestigious City Key of Honor of Lisbon City? Correct answer is D. President Draupadi Murmu. Question 33. Who has been appointed as 11th chairperson of SEBI? Correct answer is B. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Question 34. Which city is the host of World Government Summit 2025? Correct answer is B. Dubai, UAE. Question 35. Recently who has been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? Correct answer is A. B.R. Gavai. Question 36. What is the name of the military operation launched by India on May 7, 2025, targeting terror camps across Pakistan? Correct answer is B. Operation Sindoor. Question 37. Which state is home to India's first artificial intelligence data center park? Correct answer is D. Chhattisgarh. Question 38. What is the rank of India in the Climate Risk Index 2025? Correct answer is C. 6th. Question 39. Which state is hosting the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 for the first time? Correct answer is C. Bihar. Question 40. What is the theme for Earth Day 2025? Correct answer is C. Our Power, Our Planet. Question 41. Who is the author of the book, The World After Gaza? Correct answer is B. Pankaj Mishra. Question 42. Who has been appointed as Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is A. Ganesh Kumar. Question 43. What is the name of the operation launched by India to evacuate its nationals from conflict-hit Iran? Correct answer is C. Operation Sindhu. Question 44. What is India's rank in the 2025 Global Gender Gap Report? Correct answer is C. 131st. Question 45. Which heritage site of India has been included in the World Monument Watch List 2025? Correct answer is B. Historic buildings of Musi River. Question 46. National Voters Day 2025 was celebrated on which day? Correct answer is C. The 25th of January. Question 47. What is the theme for 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is A. Golden India, Heritage and Development. Question 48. When is World Wetlands Day celebrated every year? Correct answer is C. The 2nd of February. Question 49. Which act is being amended by the WAQF Bill 2024? Correct answer is C. Waqf Act 1995. Question 50. Who has become India's first unicorn in 2025? Correct answer is A. Jispe. Question 51. Who became the first black woman to be crowned Mrs. World 2025? Correct answer is B. Shego Gelai. Question 52. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer is D. 118th. Question 53. Which ministry has created the cultural village, Kaligram, in Prayagraj? Correct answer is C. Ministry of Culture. Question 54. Which state or union territories has launched the Tree Aadhar mission, also known as the Digital Tree Aadhar, for the conservation of the chinar trees? Correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Question 55. What is the theme of the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer is A. Sabka Vikas. Question 56. What is the rank of India in Henley Passport Index 2025? Correct answer is D. 85. Question 57. Who has been appointed as the new Controller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is B. K. Sanjay Murthy. Question 58. Who has been appointed as the Secretary to the President of India? Correct answer is A. Deepti Umashankar. Question 59. Who has been awarded the Booker Prize 2024 for the book title Orbital? Correct answer is C. Samantha Harvey. Question 60. When is World Heritage Day 2025 celebrated? Correct answer is A. The 18th of April. Question 61. What is the rank of India in UNDP Human Development Index 2025? Correct answer is A. 130th. Question 62. On which date International Day of Yoga 2025 is celebrated? Correct answer is B. The 21st of June. Question 63. Recently released Wings to Our Hopes Volume 2 Feet is a collection of whose speeches? Correct answer is A. Draupadi Murmu. Question 64. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2025, released by the World Economic Forum? Correct answer is C. 71st. Question 65. Who has been elected as the first president of the International Big Cat Alliance? Correct answer is D. Bhupender Yadav. Question 66. What is India's rank in the 2025 Sustainable Development Goals Index? Correct answer is C. 0.99. Question 67. What is India's rank on the Global Peace Index 2025? Correct answer is B. 115. Question 68. Which Gram Panchayat received the Gold Award in the Grassroots Level Initiatives category at the National Governance Awards 2025? Correct answer is B. Rohini Gram Panchayat. Question 69. Who has become the first African woman to become the Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations in April 2025? Correct answer is A. Shirley Botchway. Question 70. Which state is the host of Bharat Summit 2025? Correct answer A. Telangana. Question 71. What is the theme of the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer is A. Sabka Vikas. Question 72. What is the name of the global operation launched by Interpol to combat cybercrime in 2025? Correct answer is B. Operation Secure. Question 73. Which year has the UN General Assembly declared as the International Year of the Woman Farmer? Correct answer is A. 2026. Question 74. Indian Newspaper Day is celebrated every year on which day? Correct answer is B. The 29th of January. Question 75. National Voters Day 2025 was celebrated on which day? Correct answer is C. The 25th of January. Question 76. Recently, Bhuvan Ribu became the first Indian lawyer to receive the World Law Congress honor. What is the name of the global legal network founded by Bhuvan Ribu? Correct answer is D. Just Rights for Children. Question 77. What is the name of India's first generation beta baby? Correct answer is A. Frankie Remruardika. Question 78. In which city is the new BrahMos missile production facility being established in India? Correct answer is C. Lucknow. Question 79. Which song won Album of the Year award at Grammy Awards 2025? Correct answer is A. Cowboy Carter. Question 80. In April 2025, the Indian government has decided to suspend the Indus Water Treaty with Pakistan. When was this agreement signed? Correct answer is B. 1960. Question 81. Which country is set host the 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of Parliaments of Commonwealth countries in 2026? Correct answer is B. India. Question 82. Salkham Fossil Park has been included in the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It is located in which state? Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 83. Who has been awarded the National Maritime Varuna Award, India's highest individual recognition in the maritime sector? Correct answer is C. Rajesh Unni. Question 84. Who received the Global Indian of the Year award from the Canada India Foundation? Correct answer is B. Sadhguru.